Hello everyone. I know our hair grows. Yes, it grows. But if you want to know how you can double that hair growth in less than 2 weeks and see results, keep watching this video. With simple ingredients which you may already have in your kitchen, we're going to make this very potent hair mix for maximum hair growth. Our first ingredient, which is fenugreek. Fenugreek has lots of nutrients packed in it. It's a very widely used hair growth seed in the natural hair community. I'll be talking about it later in the video. Our next ingredient, which is aloe vera, which is popularly known for its hydrating and moisturizing properties. Aloe vera plant, which is popularly known for its hydrating benefits and hair conditioning properties. I'll be leaving the exact measurement and recipe in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Fenugreek seed is rich in proteins and amino acids which help repair damaged hair strands by strengthening the hair shaft and restoring nutrients to the scalp. Lecithin, which is a natural emollient that is found in fenugreek, helps nourish your scalp and hair roots, making them stronger and healthy. Fenugreek helps to fight dandruff and prevents premature aging. It promotes growth of thicker and fuller hair. That's why I have it as a staple in my natural hair. While aloe vera contains vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin C and E, as well as fatty acids which can help promote hair follicles. Aloe vera protects the hair from UV damages. Fresh aloe vera juice can protect your hair from the sun's ultraviolet radiations. Aloe vera is a good source of hair conditioner because it hydrates the hair strands and moisturizes the scalp. Now, this treatment is done just once a week for a low porosity hair to avoid overload of protein. For a higher porosity, you might want to do this twice a week depending on your hair regimen. So as you can see, I'm generously applying this thing. The idea is to get your hair damp, not soaking wet, but just enough so that when you apply products, it penetrates properly. And I take my time to massage the mix into my hair. That's the fenugreek and the aloe vera juice. I take my time to massage it, warming up my scalp, making it warm a little to the touch. And then I'm spraying it to the length of my hair to strengthen it as well. This is the virgin hair fertilizer. It's been a staple in my natural hair care regimen for over a year now, and I've been loving it. I've been loving how it makes my hair feel. The tingling feeling, that cooling feeling I get whenever I apply it on freshly braided hair, it's been really great. And now you can have the best products, you can have the most expensive products that grows the hair, but it is the way you apply it, how you take your time to massage your hair, take down your braided hairstyles. This is how I take care of my hair. I don't rush whenever it comes to my hair. I take my time massaging. Like I said, my back area was really the key place I wanted to grow. See if it can actually overtake the front part of my hair. So this is my oil mix. So I use this oil mainly at the nape of my hair because I'm trying to grow that area back. I had hair loss due to the bonnet I had before now, which was really tight at the back of my neck and at my edges. So I go in with my hair butter mix. Now this is the final step, just to seal in everything. This is mainly for the full length of my hair, not my scalp, just to put moisture back into the braids. Now the key thing, I do this just once a week. I do it just once a week. It's not something you do every day. Now, if your hair is low porosity, you might just want to stick to once a week because of the protein content. Now, on to the next time. This is the second week. And now I'll show you how far my hair had come in just 2 weeks. I saw difference. I saw growth. Unlike before, my hair would take 3 weeks to a month before I can actually see any growth. Now I'm going over again, not forgetting my edges and every necessary part. Now this is my virgin hair fertilizer yet again, so I'll be working that in, and I'm very precise about massaging my hair. It is important to note that I only apply this hair mixture twice throughout the length of having this twist in my hair. The first week and then this second week. Now you're going to see the growth in under just 2 weeks of applying this, the first time and then the second time. Unlike my hair, this mixture really helped my hair grow faster. Now this is the 3rd week in, and you can see the length of my hair already. The growth I've had, my edges came fuller and thicker. So I will not stop using this in my hair care regimen. I will keep applying this. Now you can see my back, it's fuller. Unlike now, the problem area I had at the nape of my hair, as you can see, it has started coming in. Wow, just wow. Fenugreek aloe vera is the best so far. Now this is a month exactly of having this twist in. Now my hair is as bushy as they come. The growth, yes, I can see it too. Now let's do a length check. Let's see how far my hair had come in a month. Now you can see the growth is massive. The growth is massive. Like, man, look at the back of my hair now. Very full. Wow. See the length. I got over an inch of hair growth. Now this is just plain water, because you don't apply on dry hair. You don't apply any product on dry hair. I no longer do the fenugreek and aloe vera. I was done with that just the first 2 weeks of having this protective style in. Now I'm going with just plain water. Oops, I missed a spot. Just plain water, and working that into my hair to make sure my hair is damp enough before I go into the next step. This is my herbal oil mix, which is what I'll be applying today on my scalp. Now with this herbal oil, a little goes a long way, so you don't have to clog your pores in the name of oiling your scalp. So just a few drops here and there is okay. Then I go into my edges, which is a spot I don't play with. I don't ever miss massaging my edges, because I know what it means to lose edges, and I've been there and I don't want to go back there. So at the back of my hair, which is my problem areas, I don't forget to massage. Yes, this video is sped up, so it doesn't look like I'm being rough. I'm really not being rough. I'm gentle. It's just that I sped up the video. I don't forget the nape of my hair again. In every routine, I do not forget that place. Then I go in with my shea butter, DIY'd by me. So that is just it, to seal in at the ends of my hair. When I take down my hair, it's never dry, because I don't forget to moisturize my hair. Not my scalp, my hair strands. I do not ever forget to moisturize them. Now you're going to see how shiny my hair became right after applying this shea butter. So here, this is it. This is how shiny my hair became right after applying the shea butter. While I was recording this, I noticed how shiny and how my hair was reflecting through the camera. Yeah, I went again with another layer of just very thin layer though, to get to the tips of my hair. So this is it. This is how my hair became right after moisturizing and applying my herbal growth oil. And this is how my hair is. Very lush now. Even though this is a synthetic hair, it's not looking like it's synthetic anymore. It's looking like it's my real hair. So this is the end of this video. I'm still checking out my hair length and how much my hair had grown. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.